Hello, this is Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let's do a roundup on equation, what happened to equation. So let's stay tuned. In today's episode, let's do a quick roundup what's happening to equation. If you haven't watched my previous video, why you should buy equation, feel free to watch back some of my previous video. I actually done 2 episodes about equation. So right now, today is the 3rd episode, and something that I just want to share to you guys, some of the latest news and latest update from equation. So first of all, of course, right now you can be looking at a downfall almost to the base level, the base price, which is good. So you guys will have plenty of good entry point that you guys can come in, which is about $20 right now. So it has been rising up all the way to $50, so it's about 2x. Imagine that if you guys purchase it somewhere here, $44 will be the 2x thing. To do a dollar cost averaging, I think that would be fine, super fine with it. And why you should do this is because why should you look into this as a good entry point is because looking at here, there is 2 things. First of all, of course, on the Binance Live, they actually done AMA in Binance Live. If you can watch back, I can put down the link below so you guys can read more and know more about what is equation all about. And they actually done a price pool of $12 in this AMA earlier, so you guys can, understand further and have more engagement, more knowledge about the product itself before you guys actually invest. So the second, it will be this. They are thrilled to announce that this is going to be a zero trading fees event, effectively all the way to January 31st, 2024. So whenever you actually done trading on equation, which is a decentralized exchange, where you can just connect to your wallet without doing any KYC and stuff like that. I actually mentioned this before. Just connect to your MetaMask and then you can trade accordingly in this market, in this platform itself. So whatever you trade here, I believe this is gonna be zero trading fees for Bitcoin, Ethereum, as you can see here on the poster. So feel free to use my referral link. I'll put down the link below again, so you guys can actually click on it and register an account using my referral link. So once you register, I believe that it's going to be a zero trading fees all the way to 31st of January 2024, which is a 1 month plus later on. So when you do such, when they such offer this sort of news, right, or this sort of offers, right, I believe that most of you would take time to enjoy these zero trading fees because you don't need to pay any certain fees in equation, which is good. So looking forward, I hope that there is going to be a lot of traders coming in here to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, since right now Bitcoin, Ethereum is doing okay. If I want to check, if we go to BingX, of course it's the equation one. If you look into the BTC pairing today, it's still going strong. At the daily chart, you can see if I draw a single line here, horizontal line, I believe that this is going to be a very strong supporter, 40,000 area. And this is going to be the resistant area that we are looking at right now. So around this area, or probably this area, if how you want to do it. All right, so there is a high potential of going all the way up here. Going all the way up here, which is 44,000 or 45,000, depends on how you guys see it, but I believe that 44,000 would be the key resistance area for Bitcoin. So whenever it breaks upward and close above, then hopefully the price would go even higher. Depends on the weekly chart that we guys are looking at right now. So if not, you're gonna be moving around here and there, and you know how to do the buy and sell orders, right? Basically, if let's say if this is gonna close below, then you can think of doing a sell or a short position around this range, because your stop loss is going to be somewhere around here and the take profit is going to be somewhere around here. Your risk ratio will be better. So this is how I see it. But looking at the potential, looking at the moving average line, I haven't edited this moving average line, but looking at here, it seems like it is consolidating, but the upside is higher. So it might go all the way up to 44,000, test again. And if it doesn't work, if you test few times doesn't work, then probably it will go down. So guys, go and do this on here. As you can see here, it's a similar chart. It's the same chart basically. And there is a long and short ETH. If you want to change to Bitcoin, feel free to do that. And you can see it's exactly the same chart. You can do leverage up to 200x if you want to, but who does that, right? Yeah, but you get a picture of this. All right. So if you like my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe. Gonna see you guys soon, and goodbye.